Hi, I'm Jean-Pierre Berger from Inland Software. Today I want to show you the plugin module from NetBeans for codeBeamer. codeBeamer is a software development platform for collaborative software development. It got several tools inside this platform like task trackers, requirement trackers, etc. We got a document management inside. We got an enterprise wiki. We have asset linking between all artifacts which are inside the platform. It is made for project management. We got a information retrieval. We have the capability to make periodical builds. We have a complete source code management inside this tool. We have dashboard functionalities not only based on source code, also on tasks, reports, documents, etc. We have a forum and a chat, and the complete platform is secure and stable. We want to show you today how a developer might work direct out of his IDE together with the codeBeamer server. Inside the NetBeans IDE, we have the possibility to add tracker items, to read documents, to set up maybe a new project, to delete some information which is inside trackers, to fulfill a CM loop. This means to connect data between a task and a source code commit. This information can directly be shown inside the web interface of codeBeamer, which mostly is used by, let's say, managers. They just want to see their reports, their dashboard functionality, etc., etc. Okay, now let's jump directly into the NetBeans module and have a look how it works. First, we gotta activate the connection to codeBeamer. Then we see inside the codeBeamer Explorer the possibility to log on. Here we might select the connection from one of our previous sessions, or we might create a new connection. By entering the account name, the password, and the login path where the codeBeamer server is, we are able to log on. And after the login is done, we see the connection to the server and all codeBeamer projects available, which I am allowed to access with my password and my user. Here you see all the project trackers which are inside this project, and you see also the related documents. Within such a document folder, you might have documents related to the requirements. You also might have your builds available there in the document management system and all this stuff. If you click on some of the trackers, you see on the right side the properties for all the trackers. These are the project trackers and all the connections to that. This is the additional data you might find there. Also able to open one of our trackers in this tracker list. This can be done via the pop-up menu. If we click on that, we see the tracker items list. In this case, these are just 2 tracker items available, which we can see with our account at the moment. So this means there might be more than just these 2 available, but with my account I can see only 2 of them, because I have only the rights to see this. In the meanwhile, I open another tracker where we see 3 tracker items. We are able to see all the details of the tracker in the detailed tracker list. Here we have a couple of fields which we might be able to change or give new entries in, and where we define all the things which are necessary for these tracker items. Let's now try to do a small example where we like to fix a bug which is included as a tracker item. For this reason, we are going to open the Manage NetBeans project where the sources of our project are. We do a checkout from the subversion module, and so we have access to all the sources of the project. Now you see the Manage codeBeamer NetBeans project, the sources which are available, and we will have a look at the bugs we had there. There's just a small typo where we see the capital W, which have to convert it into small w. Okay, so far so good. We save the stuff, then we are going to commit it. Now do a commit, and we can relate this commit directly to a bug item within the bug tracker. This source code commit can now be viewed inside the trackers. We are going to select one of the tracker items. So we see the commit is directly related to the tracker item and contains these files. So everything is done, and now another project participant might have a look at this information. Here you might see the source code commit linked to a tracker item. This was just a small example of how to use the NetBeans module for codeBeamer. We haven't seen the connection to forums, the reports, etc., but maybe you like to do your trial on your own, so please feel free to download our codeBeamer and our NetBeans plugin. So thanks a lot, and bye-bye.